Hey y'all, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Kimmy, and today we have an over the weekend mess for you. The house is at its worst, so I hope this brings you a ton of cleaning motivation or just some entertainment while you watch. But let's go ahead, jump right into it. The first room I'm going to be focusing on today is Erin's bathroom, which is the room I always forget, so I thought I need to start cleaning this room first before I clean anything else. Also, I've got some like candy wrappers on the floor. Y'all, we are just a bunch of big kids over here, so let's get to cleaning. So I'm using the CLR to clean the bathrooms today. I also think I used it on quite a bit of the house today. But I wanted to tell y'all, Erin's toilet lid snaps off, which is awesome because then I can actually like get underneath the back of it and clean really good. So if you have a toilet that snaps off, like go check your toilets, see if they snap off, because it makes cleaning the toilet so much easier. When I'm sleeping with someone new, I just close my eyes and think of you. When I'm sleeping with someone new, I can't help myself, I wonder if you still feel the way I feel when somebody calls you out. Are you sleeping with someone new, someone new, someone? Little embarrassing side note, y'all see the toilet paper roll just thrown there on the floor? I did not even see that the whole entire time I'm sitting here cleaning. And it's probably still on the floor in there unless Erin picked it up. Like, I have like a cleaning brain, and that sounds kind of silly, but like when I'm filming a cleaning video, I miss so many things because I'm just like, you know, in the zone, and I know that I'm filming also, so the things I miss and the things that y'all point out in the videos. So I just wanted to acknowledge that yes, I do see the toilet paper roll, and no, it should not be there. Anyways, my little wand, I accidentally messed up my little thing that goes on it to clean, so I had to whip out the tried and true little scrubby wand to finish cleaning. Now I'm moving on to the living room. Also, I talk with my hands. Y'all don't even know this because you can't see me right now from sitting here talking with my hands. And hopefully you can't hear the bucket of minnows sitting behind me that Erin left, and he's going fishing. I'm like, you left your bait, whatever. So he's got a bubbler in the water. So if you hear some bubbles, that's what that is. There's no one other than you who can make me lose my mind. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire. What are the odds we end up loving it? Spending every minute together. I found it quite hard, quite lovely. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire, fire, fire. You fuel my fire. Alright, so now I'm just going to clean out from behind these chairs, and then also I'm just going to flip them over so I can clean the like gold part that y'all can see. These chairs were so dusty. It's like all the little forgotten places I forget to clean, so we are going to clean them today, and it did feel better. I kind of want to see if I can like retouch the gold. I'm not really sure. It's like a, I don't know what it's called, y'all. I suck at voiceovers. We know this. But there's like a lot of rust and stuff where the gold brassy is. And I'm not sure if there's something that I can like spray over them. So let me know. Is it called Rust-Oleum? I'm not really sure. I mean, that would make sense. I am restoring the rust. I can't take myself seriously. Anyways, also there's a drying rack that y'all can see just hanging there on the wall. I've been drying some mint so that I can make mint bundles for my Etsy shop. Mint is so good at getting rid of insects, repelling insects without having to kill the insects. So I'm going to make some bundles that I can burn and then also share with people that also need to get rid of some insects. I know I just vacuumed, but I totally forgot to dust. So I'm having to do things backwards today. But I wanted to vacuum so I could throw my clothes on the floor and then fold my clothes. I always have a mountain of laundry, y'all. I know there's just 2 of us, but we wear a lot of clothes. I wash the sheets, I wash blankets that Chloe uses. Like, I always have laundry. Speaking of laundry, there is a load in the wash machine right now and a load in the dryer that I need to take out. So you know that there's going to be another clean with me pretty soon because I have laundry to do. And I just feel like every time I clean, I just want to share it with y'all because it's extra motivation for you or extra entertainment because I am somewhat of a goofball. I am literally turning 30 on May 6th, which is Thursday. I'm excited, but also I'm like, wow, I feel like personalities just don't change regardless of how old you are because I still act like I am in high school. I can't help it. You know, I have serious bouts about me, but then most of the time I'm just a goober. I try to be aesthetic and stuff, somewhat, but like if you just sit here and talk to me, like I can't take myself seriously. So, hopefully you can't either. Because then we'll get along just fine.
I used to wake up without confidence till I woke up with you right by my side. I didn't think that you would show up like you did, and you turned my life upside down. Oh, your love has got me high, I never wanna say goodbye. It's like my world's on fire, like my world's on fire. This is where we're meant to be, singing to this melody. Oh, this melody. So sing, 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 sing. So sing, 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 sing. Oh, your love is...
When I watch these back, I always think, you know, my house is such a mess, but then I sit here and I'm looking and I'm like, honestly, it's just trash and laundry. Isn't that crazy? Sometimes we think that something is much bigger than it actually is or has to be. And when we get into the cleaning itself, it's like, wow, that didn't take me long at all. So this video is about a 14-minute video, but the amount of footage I had was only about 50 minutes. So it only took me 50 minutes to clean my house, and out of all the hours through a day, that's really not that bad. So, And this took me 2 days to build up of a mess. Sometimes y'all ask me, like, how many days do you have to go to till you're able to film a clean with me? And unless y'all wanted to see me clean a realistically clean, already looking home, it takes me at least 2 days to build up enough of a mess to where it's somewhat motivating for you. I mean, I don't mind watching people that clean their homes that the house already looks clean to the naked eye, you know what I mean? But I mean, even when a home looks clean, there's still stuff that can be cleaned, like counters can be wiped down, floors can be swept and mopped. You know, all of the surface cleaning can still be done, and that can involve no mess at all. So, you know, but I like sharing a mess with y'all because I feel like it's a little bit more motivating than just me sharing with you wiping down surfaces. Let me know your thoughts on that.
I find it hard to read you. You never say what's on your mind, yeah. I'm going crazy all over you. Just for a second, can you try? Every time you've been calling, saying this is what I want, then you ghost for a week and leave me hanging all alone. Push me back, pull me in, and the other way around. Pull me in, push me back. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? Yeah, 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 yeah. Can someone set me free? What do you want? What do you want?
This is the last room I'm cleaning today. It is what I call my bathroom if you're new here. Erin uses the bathroom we started in. This is the bathroom in our bedroom. And I actually was able to put this little attachment thingy. It's almost like a tampon, y'all. It expands when it hits the water. But it does a really good job cleaning, and it doesn't have like a strong smell or anything. But it's my little toilet wand. There is a brand, I think, like Scrubbing Bubbles or Clorox, one of those brands makes this, but my friend purchased it for me on Amazon, and I think it was the like Efficare, I don't know how to pronounce it. I'll link it down below. But I hope y'all enjoy this cleaning video. I will see you back here in the next one. Tomorrow, or the next video you're gonna see, is a garden tour, and then Wednesday I'm going to be cleaning my car. It is disgusting, so I cannot wait for y'all to see that video, and then I'm sure I'll see you a couple more times throughout this week. But I hope you enjoyed this one. I had a really good time today sharing it with you and chatting, so talk to me in the comments. I will be there responding, and I'll see you soon. Bye!